តោះមករៀនអង់គ្លេសជាមួយគ្នាអង់គ្លេសចំនួន10ឃ្លាសម្រាប់និយាយលើកទឹកចិត្តសិស្សរាល់ថ្ងៃ
Part 3. Good question. Good question. Good question.
មានន័យថាសំណួរល្អ
Nice question. Nice question. Nice question.
មានន័យថាសំណួរល្អ
Interesting idea. Interesting idea. Interesting idea.
មានន័យថាគំនិតគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍
That's creative. That's creative. That's creative.
មានន័យថានោះច្នៃប្រឌិតណាស់
You are thinking well. You are thinking well. You are thinking well.
មានន័យថាអ្នកគិតបានល្អ
Great thinking. Great thinking. Great thinking.
មានន័យថាគិតបានល្អណាស់
You are learning fast. You are learning fast. You are learning fast.
មានន័យថាអ្នករៀនបានលឿន
Good memory. Good memory. Good memory.
មានន័យថាចងចាំបានល្អ
You are improving every day. You are improving every day. You are improving every day.
មានន័យថាអ្នកកំពុងកែលម្អរាល់ថ្ងៃ
That's impressive. That's impressive. That's impressive.
មានន័យថានោះគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍ណាស់
Thanks for watching. Please help support the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this content.